Here's how to get Google Veo 3 completely for free with no limitations whatsoever and no watermarks or anything. And this is a brand new method that not a lot of people know about, so make sure you jump in on this while it still works. And the best part is it comes with Nano Banana Pro for free as well. Hi guys, it's Chet here from websitewizard.tv. If you're new here, make sure you smash that subscribe button and let me know by leaving a comment saying I subscribed, and I'll reply to each and every one of you. Let's dive straight in. So step 1, get your Google Veo 3 free account. So go over to Google and search Gemini Business. Then you want to click on the Gemini Business Google link. So you want to enter any Gmail account here, and if you want you can create a brand new one just for this, and then click continue with email. And then click next. And then just sign into your account. So we're now inside the Gemini Business dashboard. Step 2, create your first video. So you want to click on the tools icon here and then select create videos with Veo. So I'm going to paste in this prompt right here and then click submit. And in under 60 seconds it's going to create your video. And now you can see we've created this video right here, which we can click here to download to our computer. Now the great thing with this is there's no limits, so unlike other methods where you're limited to 100 credits, with this one there's no limits whatsoever, and there's no watermark whatsoever on the video, and free, it gives us a high definition video which some other methods don't. Now if you've got this far, pat yourself on the back and have a little victory dance. Step 3, we can scale this to create one long video with different scenes. So instead of creating random clips, we're going to create a video scene by scene. And you can use this method to create cinematic videos or movies. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a series of different scenes of an ASMR style food eating video, and then I'm going to bunch all those clips together to create one long video. So head on over to ChatGPT and you want to type in a prompt like this. So you want to copy the first prompt here. Then head back to Gemini Business. And remember to click Tools and Create Videos with Veo. Then paste that prompt right here and click Generate. We've created this video right here, so you just want to go ahead and download that to your computer. So then just copy the script for the next scene from ChatGPT. And then paste in the next script right here and click Generate. So you want to repeat that until you've created all the scenes for your videos and downloaded them. Step 4. Stitch our scenes together to create one video. Now we've got all the scenes for our video, you can stitch them together using free video editing software. Now the most popular choice that a lot of people know about already is CapCut, and that works for Windows and Mac. Or if you're on Windows, you can actually use Clipchamp. It has a few more extra features for free that CapCut doesn't. So I'm going to use Microsoft Clipchamp, and I'll leave the links to those in the video description. So open up Microsoft Clipchamp and then click create new video. And then you want to click on import media here, and then you want to select all of your videos and then click open. So once you've got your clips here, you want to drag those one by one onto the timeline in the correct order and just drag those up next to each other. And then what you can do here is you can actually click here to preview that. So once you're happy with the video, you want to click on export. So once you've done that, you just want to export that to your computer. Step 5, create a professional thumbnail. Now, as I mentioned, with this, we get Nano Banana Pro for free as well. So we might as well take advantage of that. So head on over to ChatGPT and type in a prompt like this and then click generate. And I'll leave all these prompts below the video. So go ahead and copy that prompt, then head back over to Gemini Business. And then what you want to do this time is you want to click Tools here, and then you want to click Generate Images Pro here. And then you want to paste in that prompt right here, and then click Generate. And as you can see, it's created a professional, eye-catching thumbnail for our video. Comment prompts below and I'll send you my prompt pack, which will allow you to get consistent results for any niche. If you like the video, then let me know by smashing that like button, and drop a comment if you have any questions, and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next video.